Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we're going to tackle a common problem that many developers face when working with Jetpack-Compose. The problem at hand is deciding whether to use the update method or the copy function to update the state of the UI. It can be confusing to figure out which approach is the best to use, especially when there are conflicting opinions out there. In the solution provided, we have two options to choose from, using _UIState.update or _UIState.value.copy. Now, let's dive into the solution. The update method is recommended for most cases as it offers thread safety and atomicity. This helps prevent race conditions and ensures consistent updates, even in a multi-threaded environment. On the other hand, using _UIState.value.copy is a simpler approach but lacks inherent thread safety. It's suitable for single-threaded scenarios where no other threads will be modifying the state concurrently. In summary, when dealing with MutableStateFlow, it's best to opt for _UIState.update for its thread safety and atomic properties. However, if you are in a single-thread environment and certain no other threads will modify the state concurrently, _UIState.value.copy can be used cautiously. And with that, we've covered the ins and outs of updating the UI state in Jetpack-Compose. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any witty jokes you may have. See you next time.